Hello, welcome. Today I'm in TU Eindhoven in the vertical building, and this is an example of workspaces where a lot of students are working. And I have with me my meter, and I want to show that a lot of the people are working in a very strong electric field. So let's see what happens when we come closer toward this table. And what I normally see is that the meter will show out in the red when we come close to an electrical socket. But what's happening with this table is there's a lot of iron in the table, and that means that this table, all the table, will conduct the field, and we can see it very clearly when we move closer toward the table. We very see that the meter goes in the red up towards 200 volts per meter. So that's what I wanted to show for today. Thank you for watching. I hope that you learned something. See you in another video.